content marketing. The first and most primitive online business that anyone can tap into is content marketing. And by the way, I mean basic. You make or you take content and you post it into a social media account. Now, by this, I don't mean that you become an influencer or you start posting breathtaking photography. All it takes is to start posting the kind of content that gets people to follow your account and engage. And if that sounds strange to you, it shouldn't. If you've wasted any time today on Instagram, you would have seen an account which collates videos of dogs or memes stolen from Twitter. Now, have you ever wondered why the people who run the accounts do it? They get paid, either through platform-specific programs like the TikTok Creator Fund or through paid shoutouts and links in bio. If you go to any meme page that you follow, you're going to see that they have a link to a mobile game in their bio. Now, this may not be a massive business opportunity or a clever one, but it's one of the ways that I made my first income when I was first starting off by growing Instagram accounts. I'd start one, I'd build up its following, I'd sell some promotions, and then I would sell it. And I made my first few $1,000s online doing this. Now, there are a number of ways that you can monetize an account like this. It could be by being paid for engagement by the platform itself, sponsored posts, or just selling the account alone. Now, I will say times have changed since when I first started this, and I wouldn't recommend this method to everyone starting an online business, but starting your own account has one advantage when it comes to the next online business model.